If you have clicked on this video wanting to know how to get to Sollefteå, or maybe you already know how to get to Sollefteå, but you need to know where to stay. Maybe you have heard of Sollefteå from Jonna Jinton or Kalle, and you might want to visit Jonna Jinton's shop that she's opening in June 25. Or maybe you want to visit Kalle or have fika with Guy or with me. Sollefteå is located in Västernorrland, north of Sweden. In my previous video I explained all the ways you can get up here. Now it's time to accommodate for your stay. There are not many options, as you can imagine, but I have listed pretty much everything, everywhere you can sleep. Of course, if something happens, you can DM me and we'll see. DM me on Instagram, the link will be down below. Places you can stay in Sollefteå are Hotel Sollefteå, Nippan Hotellet, Hotel Nippan, Appelberg Hotel. They are all in the center, so they're walkable distance maybe from the center, I should say. The next one is the nicest, but it's the furthest away, Hallstaberget. Hallstaberget is on top of the ski slope, so it's a hike to get up there, or you need a car or someone to drop you and pick you back down. There are apartments you can rent. It's called Sollefteå Long Stay Hotel, but it's in an apartment building and you rent the apartments. Unfortunately, they don't really have like a website you can look at prices and stuff. You can just request with your dates. There is a really nice Airbnb, or it used to be Airbnb. It's called Husnära Hallstaberget. I have stayed there a few times. My mom has stayed there. It's a very nice house, very nice location. The next one, if you're adventurous and hiker or backpacker, is the Sollefteå Camping. And the last one in Sollefteå is Strömberg Cafe, Restaurant and Vandrarshem, which means like a hostel. They also unfortunately have only on their website it says you need to call them and ask for the dates and ask for the price, so do that if you want to stay with them. All those options are here if you have no car and you just want to walk. Everything is kind of walkable distance, maybe besides Hallstaberget that is on top of the mountain. But there are, if you have a car, there is also North in B&B. There is also Långsele Camping with little cabins, or if you have a tent, maybe you can do Sollefteå Camping with a tent, or Långsele Camping, or anywhere else. Honestly, we have Allemansrätten, so you can camp everywhere. Maybe bring a tent and just don't look for accommodation. And the last one is, it's through Airbnb as well, Österstrinne. It's a room in a house, but I have stayed there. The lady, Sophie, is really cool. And it's a room for 2 people. It's a room with a bed for 2 people. And there's a little like duschkabin and a little douche. So it works, but you need to have a car because it's maybe 7 to 8 kilometers outside of Sollefteå. That was it for this video. Good luck finding an accommodation. If you can't find any, again, hit me up in my Instagram, drop me a DM, maybe I'll see it and I'll reply and help you. In my next video, I will show you different places where you can eat and have fika and just enjoy it. So subscribe, and if you like this one, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Greetings from the chilly north.